GSG presents White Ink Wednesday.
Hey everybody, it's Josh here from Avient Specialty Inks. Today I am going to give you 3 white plastisol products you should have in your shop at all times. All right, here we go. Number 1. If you're printing cotton shirts, you should be printing with a cotton white. It will give you the best results, period. And here's why. It's because they're made specifically for cotton material. You'll get the best fiber mat down. You will have the smoothest hand. They're gonna run nice and smooth, very creamy inks. Products like QCM, Fast Flash Cotton, Wilflex Sprint, Wilflex Shock LC, they're all the most affordable white inks in the white ink portfolio, so you can save money as well. It just makes a lot of sense. So if you're printing cotton, print with a cotton white. Number 2, low cure poly white, like this Performance LC from Wilflex. Our low cure technology is proven. We believe in it so much that we don't make a polyester white that isn't low cure. By curing at 270 degrees, you're going to reduce dye migration, you're going to reduce your damages, you'll save money on energy consumption. Let the ink help you be more profitable. Look for LC at the end of the product name, and that tells you you're in the right place. Number 3, low bleed white is often referred to as general purpose. It could be the white that you're using the most in your shop. It could be about the only white you use in your shop. So it is very, very important that you're using the absolute best low bleed white you can get. And here's why. Those prints are your calling card. All of those prints that you make with your general purpose white, they will represent you out in the market. So you want it to reflect the attention to detail, the quality, the passion that you put into your work. This is Wilflex Quick White. It's an excellent creamy low bleed. There are a lot of other great options as well. Amazing bright white, Bright Tiger, Bolt LC, Bolt Low Cure. I believe in the low cure technology. So if you want to ride that into your low bleed ink as well, highly, highly recommended. That is an excellent product. So the point here is make the absolute best prints you can. Use the absolute best ink you can get your hands on. So guys, that's it. That's my top 3. Cotton white, low cure polyester white, and the absolute best low bleed that you can buy. All right, we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.